Milling machines are the unsung heroes of modern manufacturing, shaping everything from car parts to spacecraft components with jaw-dropping precision. Yet, beneath their spinning tools lies a world of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Stick around to discover the fascinating history, mind-blowing innovations, and surprising quirks of these mechanical marvels that power our world. Welcome to Objectified, where we dive deep into the stories behind the machines and objects that shape our lives. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on milling machines, the workhorses of workshops and factories. These machines carve, cut, and create with astonishing accuracy. But their journey from humble beginnings to high-tech giants is filled with unexpected twists. From their origins in the Industrial Revolution to their role in today's cutting-edge industries, we will explore how milling machines became indispensable and reveal some hidden details that even seasoned machinists might not know. Let's get started. The story of milling machines begins in the late 18th century, during the dawn of the Industrial Revolution. Back then, craftsmen relied on hand tools to shape metal and wood, a process that was slow, inconsistent, and limited. Enter Eli Whitney, an American inventor best known for the cotton gin. In the 1790s, Whitney developed one of the earliest milling machines to produce standardized musket parts for the U.S. Army. His machine used rotating cutters to remove material, a radical idea that laid the groundwork for mass production. By 1818, Whitney's concepts were refined by other inventors like Simeon North, who built milling machines capable of creating interchangeable parts, revolutionizing manufacturing. These early machines were crude, powered by water or steam, but they sparked a new era of precision and efficiency. The milling machine's ability to produce identical components changed the game for industries like firearms, textiles, and transportation. Factories could now scale production without sacrificing quality, setting the stage for the modern assembly line. Fast forward to the 19th century, and milling machines were evolving rapidly. In the 1860s, American engineer Joseph R. Brown introduced the universal milling machine, a versatile beast that could handle a variety of tasks, from cutting gears to shaping complex surfaces. Brown's design featured a swiveling table and adjustable cutters, making it a favorite in machine shops. By the early 20th century, electric motors replaced steam and water power, boosting speed and reliability. The real game changer came in the 1940s with the advent of computer numerical control, or CNC. CNC milling machines, guided by computer programs, could execute intricate designs with pinpoint accuracy, reducing human error and unlocking new possibilities. Today, CNC mills are equipped with multi-axis systems, allowing them to carve complex 3D shapes in materials like titanium, carbon fiber, and even ceramics. Innovations like high-speed spindles and laser-guided tools have pushed milling machines into industries as diverse as aerospace, medical device manufacturing, and consumer electronics. For example, the tiny components in your smartphone's camera lens. They are likely crafted by a CNC milling machine. Modern milling machines are also embracing automation and artificial intelligence. Smart mills can self-diagnose issues, optimize cutting paths, and even predict maintenance needs, saving time and money. The evolution of milling machines is a testament to human ingenuity, transforming a simple concept into a cornerstone of advanced manufacturing. Milling machines are more than just tools. They are symbols of precision, craftsmanship, and industrial progress. In the early 20th century, machinists were revered as skilled artisans, and their ability to operate milling machines was a badge of honor. Machine shops became hubs of innovation, where ideas were turned into reality. Even today, the maker movement celebrates milling machines, with hobbyists and small businesses using compact CNC mills to create everything from custom jewelry to prototype inventions. On a global scale, milling machines have democratized manufacturing. Affordable desktop CNC mills have empowered entrepreneurs in developing countries to produce high-quality goods, fostering economic growth. In education, milling machines are a staple in engineering and vocational programs, teaching students the principles of design and fabrication. From Silicon Valley startups to rural workshops, milling machines bridge the gap between imagination and reality, making them a cultural touchstone in the world of creation. Let's dive into some lesser-known tidbits about milling machines that might surprise you. Did you know that the first milling machines were so heavy they required entire buildings to house them? Early 19th century mills weighed tons and were anchored to the floor to withstand their own vibrations. Another fun fact: the term milling comes from the Old English word myelin, meaning to grind or crush, a nod to the machine's ability to sculpt materials. Here's a quirky one. During World War II, milling machines played a critical role in producing aircraft parts, but shortages of skilled machinists led to women stepping into machine shops. These Rosie the Riveter machinists mastered milling machines, proving their prowess and reshaping workforce dynamics. And if you think milling machines are all about metal, think again. Modern mills can carve materials like chocolate, wax, and even ice for artistic installations. One final gem: the world's largest milling machine, used in aerospace, can carve entire airplane wings in a single pass, with a work table the size of a basketball court. These facts highlight the versatility and enduring impact of milling machines in ways you might not expect. Milling machines are the backbone of modern manufacturing, blending history, innovation, and cultural significance into a single, powerful package. From Eli Whitney's early experiments to today's AI-driven CNC giants, these machines have shaped the world in ways both big and small. Whether they are crafting life-saving medical implants or enabling a hobbyist to bring a dream to life, milling machines embody the spirit of precision and possibility. The next time you pick up a gadget, drive a car, or board a plane, take a moment to appreciate the hidden secrets of the milling machines that made it all possible. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets of milling machines, hit that like button and subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives into the objects that shape our world. Share this video with a friend who loves engineering or crafting, and let us know in the comments what machine you want us to explore next. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of milling machines. Stay curious, keep creating, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, this is Objectified, signing off.